नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है। और जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं आपकी स्क्रीन पर एनसीसी कैडेट मानवी द्राबू मौजूद है और एमपी जो है 1 MP एयर में ये सीनियर अंडर ऑफिसर है। मानवी अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही यूथ एक्सचेंज कार्यक्रम के अंतर्गत नेपाल की यात्रा करके आई और देश का प्रतिनिधित्व करना बड़ी बात होती है, खासकर एनसीसी में जब आप सीनियर विंग में होते हैं। मानवी से हम बातचीत शुरू करते हैं। मानवी, 1 MP से आप गए थे, ये कितने दिन का टूर था और इसमें कितने लोग भारत से गए थे?
It was a total trip of 20 days.
Yes.
10 days we were in Delhi.
Yes.
We had the etiquettes and briefing sessions there.
Yes.
Then we went on to Kathmandu. There we had our initial one-day briefing,
बिल्कुल।
followed by us going to Chitwan and Trishuli River for river rafting. Then back to Kathmandu and back to Delhi.
इसमें आपके जैसे भारत के कितने कैडेट और कहाँ से थे?
We were total of 16 cadets from all over India.
जी।
I was the only one from Air Wing. We have 3 wings in NCC, that is Army Wing, Air Wing and Naval Wing.
Yeah.
There were 15 cadets from Army Wing representing almost all of the India. And then I was only one from Air Wing. We had 2 delegation commanders. One was from Karnataka and Goa directed and one was from APNT.
मानवी, आप इसके पहले जो है आरडीसी कैंप अटेंड करके आई और हम जानते हैं कि कोई एनसीसी कैडेट एनसीसी में रहता तो उसका सबसे बड़ा सपना होता है कि वो आरडीसी रिप्रेजेंट करें। आपने इसी साल जो दिल्ली में जाके आरडीसी करा है, उसके बारे में बताएं कि उसमें चयन आपका कैसे हुआ था और वो कैंप कैसा रहा आपका?
RDC was indeed a wonderful experience.
Yeah.
More than it being my dream, it was a dream of my mother. So I think when I was in RDC in Delhi, I lived the dream of my mother as well as her friends. So RDC was an amazing experience overall. About the choosing process, I was the Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh SW Best Cadet of Air Wing. So we had a number of criterias upon which I was chosen. One was written, one was drill, firing, my group discussion and personal interview. The latter 2 had my communication skills.
आरडीसी कैंप में जब आप गणतंत्र दिवस परेड में जाते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रपति के सामने से गुजरते हैं, उनको सलामी देते हैं, उसके बाद में भारत के गृह मंत्री जब आपके कैंप में आते हैं, ये जो पूरा अनुभव होता है, ये आपको क्या प्रेरणा देता है? आपको जो है आपके लिए कितना फ़ायदेमंद होता है?
The Republic Day camp, being a 30-day camp, gave me as a cadet a lot of experiences. The whole 30 days we were surrounded with officers and dignitaries. Something that was very hard to believe for me was President, people like President, Home Minister, Defense Minister just passing us by like it was any other day for them. But it was a wonderful experience. It honestly gave me so much more prerna and motivation to join the forces. So that was amazing.
मानवी, अभी आप सीनियर अंडर जो है ऑफिसर हैं 1 MP एयर में। इन दिनों जो लड़कियां जो एनसीसी में आना चाहती हैं, जो एनसीसी कैडेट बनना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए आपका क्या संदेश है?
I think everyone should join the National Cadet Corps. It is an amazing opportunity, especially for the youth of India. I don't think everyone knows this, but National Cadet Corps is the largest uniformed youth service organization in the world. So being the second line of defense is a thing that not every cadet or every individual gets to experience. So we are also trying to recruit more and more girls, and more girls should join the forces and as well as NCC. NCC will not only give you discipline, but it will also make you physically and mentally strong.
गुड। अभी इन दिनों आप पढ़ाई में क्या कर रही हैं और भविष्य में आपका क्या प्लानिंग है? एनसीसी जैसा आप सी सर्टिफिकेट हो जाता है बाय द वे, उसके बाद आप क्या करना चाहते हैं?
Currently, I'm pursuing civil engineering from Institute of Engineering Technology (DAVB), and after that, I would really like to join the forces. I don't have any such preference that I want to join this force. I'll try for the tri-services and hopefully get there very soon.
बिल्कुल। और आपकी जितनी भी उपलब्धि है, आप शुरू से काम कर रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं आपके परिवार का सपोर्ट रहता होगा, तो मम्मी पापा है या जो जितने भी परिवार के, वो आपको किस प्रकार सपोर्ट करते हैं या प्रेरणा देते हैं?
My mother is an ex-senior under officer from
Hmm.
NCC.
Mm-hmm.
So she was the first person that actually held my hand and she said that you should and you have to go to NCC.
Mm-hmm.
So that is how the NCC journey started.
Mhm.
Initially, I was not a very good cadet. I used to do a lot of makra.
Mm-hmm.
But as years went by and as time passed, I think it was some motivation and something that I saw in those batches. The only reason I wanted to do any camp was for the batch. It just looked very good on Vardi. Now I have so much batches that there is no place for me to actually keep them in my Vardi. But my mother, my father, and my sister, and everyone in my family actually, especially my maternal grandmother, they all supported me throughout the journey, and they have been the biggest cheerleaders that I could ever ask for. So even though there are some times that I don't feel the best, but my family makes sure that I'm having the best time of my life.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। मान भी जब आप इतनी उपलब्धियां लेके आते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी यूनिट है या कॉलेज है, कहीं ना कहीं आपको सम्मान मिलता होगा। हम वो भी जानना चाहते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको सम्मानित किया गया है इन दिनों।
When I was back from RDC,
Yeah.
I had the privilege to be honored by the governor of Madhya Pradesh as well as the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh.
जी।
After that, when I came back to Indore, the group commander of Indore had been very generous and took out time to felicitate all the RDC cadets. Apart from this, I was also felicitated again by the chief minister of India of Madhya
मध्य
Pradesh.
प्रदेश। जी जी।
By the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh when in the process of Rakhi Sammelan. And my broadcast was also shown in my college, so it was an amazing thing to experience.
अच्छा मानवी, आप जो है एनसीसी कैडेट है, पढ़ाई भी कर रही हैं, इसके अलावा क्या क्या हॉबीज है आपने और कौन कौन के खेल कूद खेले हैं, किसमें आपकी रुचि है?
Apart from this, and I would really like to tell everyone that be very good in and active in sports, because I think badminton, being a national badminton player, is what has brought me up to this. Because I used to play badminton as a kid and as a teen, and represented my school also in West Zonals, where I secured third position. So that is what actually drives you and gives you teamwork, the leadership skills, and that is what I am using in National Cadet Corps now.
Anvi Drabu, on behalf of the entire YP delegation of India, would like to extend a heartfelt thank you for this amazing experience of mountain flight. So, as the famous quote goes by, for once you have tested a flight, you'll forever walk on the earth with your head turned skywards, because there you have been and there you'll always roam. So, this flight experience, this 1 hour, we were all on the edge of our seats. We were all just looking out. We actually truly felt on the top of the world. So I would really like to thank the Nepal government, the Nepal army, commander, and all the ranks of Nepal Army Aviation. So genuinely a very heartfelt thank you.
NCC Club, ready, go!
मानवी, हम इसके आपका इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं तो एक वीडियो जो हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, आप नेपाल का वो जो वीडियो है जिसमें आप जब पूरी फ्लाइट करके आए थी, बातचीत कर रही हैं, वो क्या दृश्य था और आप वहाँ क्या समझा रही थी उनको, वो आपसे क्या पूछा जा रहा था?
After we were done having the mountain flight experience, I was asked to give the vote of thanks to the Nepali government as well as the Nepal army. It was an amazing and thrilling experience. One thing that I forgot to add in that video and I'll add here is that I have heard that pilots, even gods, envy the pilots, because the pilots see what the gods can. Only the pilots can see that. So I think that is what we experienced that day. Being able to experience Mount Everest from that top and with so much excitement, especially in a military aircraft, was something that I never even dreamt of.
गुड। तो ये मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आपकी सारी जो बातचीत और प्रेरणा है, जो हमारे दर्शक उनको देख पा रहे हैं, आपको कहीं ना कहीं आपसे प्रेरणा लेंगे और हम उम्मीद करते हैं भविष्य में आप अपने सारे सपने पूरा करें। आपने हमसे बात करी, इसके लिए धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।